Next, let us learn about belongs to or not. This is a simple topic. Belongs to can be represented using this symbol, whereas not belongs to can be represented using this symbol. This concept is used to represent the presence or absence of elements inside the set. Let us see an example to understand this concept.
Consider a set, A equal to, set of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. We have some options given below. In these options, we need to put the symbol belongs to, or not belongs to, in the space between the numbers and the set A. If the number is present inside the set A, then we need to put the symbol of belongs to. If the number is not present in the set A, then we need to put the symbol of not belongs to. We can see 1 is an element inside the set A. Therefore, here we can put the symbol belongs to. Next, 3 is present inside the set A. Therefore, here also we can put the symbol belongs to. Next is 7, which is not present in the set A. Thus, here we can put the symbol not belongs to. As 18 is present in the set A, we can put the symbol belongs to in this option. Finally, as 10 is missing in the set A, we can put the symbol not belongs to for it. Hope this clears the concept of belongs to or not belongs to for everyone.